Hey, what's up guys, this is Jay from the Gamer's Edge Repair, bringing to you how to disassemble an iPhone 4. Links below if you want to get other parts, and check out the more how-to videos coming soon. First off, you start with removing the bottom two screws on the iPhone. Next up, you remove the back plate. You just slide it across and it comes right off. Next up, you're removing the screws to the battery. It's just one screw on the iPhone 4. Just use a normal Phillips. There are other screws that are covering the flex cables. You can remove those two. There's two small ones, and you can remove the little cover that's covering the flex cable. Then remove the battery connector. Comes right off. There's a small piece underneath protecting the antenna cable. Just remove that. Remove it easily with a screwdriver or your finger. Remove the battery, it comes right off. Next step, you'll be removing all the screws around the speakers. There's one behind the cable. All around the iPod is behind a warranty sticker. Around the top part of the iPhone as well. And also the two screws that are holding down the vibrator for the vibrate. Begin by removing the flex cable, unplug it to its jack and peel it off to reveal one of the screws underneath the flex cable. Remove that screw. Next up, you'll be removing the small antenna cable. You can either use your nails or a plain screwdriver. Next step, you're removing the rest of the screws on the speaker and all the screws that are holding the motherboard down. There's one underneath a warranty sticker. There are 5 screws holding down a metal shroud protecting the digitizer cable, LCD cable, and camera cables. Remove all the cables, all the screws, as well as the vibrate screws. There are 2 screws. Next step, you remove the heat shroud. Next up, you remove the bottom screw, which with a normal Phillips you cannot do. You must use a flathead screwdriver. It comes right off. Next up, you'll be removing all the cables that are connected, including the camera cable. First thing you do is pry off the camera. It should pop right out. Now you have to remove the SIM card tray. Push down and pry it out and remove the SIM card tray along with the SIM card. Which entails you'll be able to remove the motherboard. Make sure you don't hit any of the cables. Remove the speaker. Finally, you have to remove the screws towards the digitizer. There's 1, 2, 3 along the corners, and as well as 3 in each side of the screen. Finally, you'll be removing the top screen. It is adhesive down, and just pry it off. Be careful not to damage the screen. There's the flex cable, the LCD for the digitizer are in between the hole. Be sure to slide it out and not rip the cables. And there you have it, guys. The disassemble iPhone 4. This is the AT&T model. Have all these screws. Be sure to check out the links below for parts, any parts you need, replacement parts for all